Morning. Happy Friday. Hi, Bobby. How are you? Happy Friday, Bobby. Oy, oh, my goodness gracious. I got a lot to do. It's going to be a short one today.
Oh, hey, good morning. I'm doing just peachy. Thanks for asking. Happy Friday to you, too. Any plans for the weekend? Or just the usual chaos?
That's a good question. Do I have plans for the weekend? Not any big ones. No. Plans for next week, though. Was going to do an in-person with Ro today, but he is going to do remote, so that gives me a little more time for this, which is good. Got a bunch of meetings happening later today. And yeah, so we're going to do a little more work on that personal data server. Get that going. And then hopefully we can hook it up to StreamTooth. Probably not till next week we'll hook it up to StreamTooth. And then next week I'm out on Wednesday. But I think other than that, we should be good to go. Hello. Something booped. All right, well, hopefully we're fine. All right, let's do... Oh, I got to do this first. Yes. Hello. I should change this view a little bit. Anyway, I'm all over the place this morning. All right, we'll do Rosethorn Bud. We did look at this. That worked. We're still working on setting up the PDS. I registered that domain yesterday, so that should be ready to go now. So we'll get that going. No, I don't want that. No. Let's try again. Can we do it? Can we do it? This one down here. This one up here. Okay. Uh-huh. Oop. This over here. Like that. Okay. Very good. Okay. Let's do roast and bud. Okay. Yep, Valheim's still fun. Shrunken sweater. Oh, so mad. No heat. Still have no heat. They can't come till Monday. They can't come till Monday, so I had to go buy a space heater. No heat until Monday. Just in Wyatt's room. Well, in 3 rooms, but we don't use the other rooms that much. All right, we're skiing Wednesday. Oh, yeah, I did that. Okay, in person tomorrow. That didn't happen. That's okay. And then roses. What are the good roses today? My hair's all floppy and weird today. I need a haircut. Rose. Let's see. Oh, you know, we've been getting, Wyatt's been doing great at school. He's been doing great at school. We changed his setup a little bit, and it's working out really, really well. And we're getting nice emails from his teachers, like, he's having such a great day. And like, you know that they're like especially happy with how things are going when they like send photos, they, like take picture of him, like, you know, being focused and working. Like, yeah. So that's good. That's super good. Okay, let's ship this. Let's call this. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing right now. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, I see. Okay, fine. What is this? RTB. I'm just going to call RTB. Export. Discord. Yes. All right, hopefully that worked. Okay, so that is that. Let's go back here. Cool. Boom. All right. Check. Let's check. All right, here we are. Now we're going to go to this view. And here's where we left off, right? And what we did was set up this tunnel config. We're going to change this. But first we're going to go and log in to Cloudflare. Great news. Oh, I love that. I love that for me. I love that for me. All right, so now we're going to go into network. This is different. We need 0, 0 something. Zaraz. What is all this stuff? There's so much weird stuff in here. I don't even know what it is anymore. No. No. Where is the 0 whatever? 0 trust or whatever it is. All right, let's go back into here. In here. We've got the thing in here. We've got the tunnel in here that we need, right? And I thought it was under network. Traffic? No. All right. It's already going badly. All right, it's okay. Cloudflare D setup. All right. Set up your first tunnel. Okay. Let's do it through here. 0 trust. That's what we need. Networks, tunnels. That's what I... Okay. Here. Here. It wants me to go to networks. I see network. I don't see networks. Now I could just click this link here. Networks, tunnels. All right, here's this one. Okay, this one's down. Very good. Let's configure it. Okay. And we're going to change these. Yes. Edit. Okay. Aha. Very good. Okay. Edit. This. Okay. Now, here, DNS. We've got this CNAME. Yes. Now we're going to add a record. CNAME star. And it's going to be this one. Can I edit this too? Can I get... I guess not. Okay, give me that. Paste that. Save that. Okay. Very cool. Now we've got 2 CNAMEs. They both CNAME to this thing. Okay. Bam. Okay. Now, let's go back to you SSH magic missile. All right, and CD source tooth PDS. All right, and then I'm gonna go back here. Here. This is going to be, the host name is going to be s2th.me. and that goes to this, and I'm going to copy. I don't know why I got to set this up twice. I don't think I actually need to do what I'm doing right now. I think this is like extraneous, but let's see. Doesn't appear to like that, but hopefully that's okay. Let's just see. Okay. All right. All right. Everything else here good. Let me do something real quick. We're going to go here. No. Here. I'm going to look at this and make sure we're on the right thing. Okay, we are. Okay. Because we've got this. Do not show on stream stuff. That's down here at the bottom. You can't see what I'm pointing at, though. That's okay. All right, so this is all good stuff. Oh, wait, nope. PDS hostname is s2th.me. Okay, very good. Excellent. All right. You're good? You're good. You're good. Actually, this Docker file, I don't even think we need this Docker file anymore. This Docker file needs to go away. This is a confusing Docker file. Oh, I wanted to, okay, wait. I'm going to rename this Docker file .old. I'm going to call it .old because I wanted to keep this for some other time. Okay. We're here. Docker compose up. Oh no, we're back to this. Data directory is not correct. Oh god, everything's broken. Line 4 did not find an... Okay. All right, relax. All right. All right, first this. It did not like that. Can I do this? Yes, I can. Okay, great. Now, the other thing is this PDS data directory. Can I just set this? Can I just set this? If I say environment, it gets confusing because I don't know when I'm setting an environment variable for the container versus the host of the container. And I should know this. It should be like second nature, but it is not. So let's just try this. And I don't even think this matters. The thing, oh, that does not work. Okay. Save it, yeah, all right. Kill that. I mean, that'll work. That's fine. Let's just focus on getting it up, and then we can focus on getting it right. All right, look at that. PDS tunnel's good. Everyone's good. Everyone's happy. All right, now we're going to go here. I'm going to go to s2th.me. Hey, look at that. Look at that. And then I'm going to go to... wow. Hey, look at that. Look at that. Very good. Okay. Cool. I should have gotten more coffee before I started this. So now I don't have coffee to sip on. That is unfortunato. All right. All right. So when we were doing this last, we were setting up. Let's go to atproto.com and let's go to self-host. And we did these things, right? And then there's like this tool verifying that your PDS is online and accessible. Okay. Most common problems are the proxy. All right. So you can visit health in your browser. You should see a JSON with a okay, so let's see this. Okay. Listen, bud. I want to copy this. Copy this. Paste in here. And it's going to be s2th.me. Okay. That looks good. That looks correct.
Here's an anecdote about retailer. So, potate__no, and I once ventured into the wild world of online retailing to sell some of our custom gaming merch. We thought we were marketing geniuses and set up shop expecting to rake in the gold. Turns out, figuring out shipping costs is harder than getting a victory royale in Fortnite. We ended up spending more on sending stuff than we made selling it. Lesson learned, just because you're good at games doesn't mean you're good at games of business.
C-. All right. So now we need PDS admin. Now this thing was a funky thing. We also need to check that WebSockets are working for the rest of the network to pick up content for your PDS. You can test by installing a tool like wsdump and running a command like this. Okay. All right, give me wsdump then. wsdump. Do I have it? Apt install. All right, sudo apt install Python 3 WebSocket. Fantastic, Pee-wee. Okay. All right. We need PDS admin. PDS admin. All right. So now we're gonna go to back to our friend Magic Missile. Yes. Source. Yes. Stuth. Yes. PDS. Yes. And we need the PDS admin stuff. And I remember this was like a collection of shell scripts, if I remember correctly. So let's go look for that. And it's installed by the installer. That this thing is kind of like a crazy thing, to be honest. To be honest. All right, here's this installer. Yeah, fine, do that. Let's take a look at this installer again. Okay. Yep. Figure caddy. Very good. Sometimes when you try to make things too easy, you end up making them much harder. You know, let's take this. Let's go in here, look in here. All right, here's this. Here's PDS admin. This is what I was looking for. Okay, here's PDS admin. And then there's all these like separate scripts. So we should get these, right? Here's the original script. This script must be run as root. Rude. All right, let's get this one. Let's get this, right? And this thing's probably going to throw a fit. It's going to take some... This is going to take a little doing. We're gonna make directory bin curl-o PDS admin, and we're gonna paste this guy. Nope. Paste this guy. Okay, and then we're gonna chmod it. Chmod it. We're gonna chmod that thing. This script must be run as root. I hate that about this. First of all, no it doesn't. Illegal option. Okay. PDS admin update. PDS admin update. And what is this thing gonna do? Failure. This is already working really well. I love this. I love it. All right. So what? All right. Yep. It wants you to get the script file and then, you know, just go ahead and just download it and run it. All right, fine. And then when I run it with like a space, like PS admin base URL, that's this. Okay. Script file. Okay. This temp direct. Okay. So it like, oh wow. So it like you run it, you run a command, it downloads it every single time into a temp and then runs that command. And then deletes it. I mean, it's weird. Right? That's weird, right? That's like not normal, right? Okay, so let's just download each one of these. You know, one time. Let's download each one of them one time. How about maybe? That would be good. I think that would be fun and good. All right. So we'll get this one. Okay. Yes. curl-o help.sh. And I really wish I could remap copy and paste, because I switch back and forth between Mac and PC so much, and especially when I SSH from one to the other, I get really confused. I'm like, I'm on the Mac, but I'm through the PC, so my copy paste is Control C, but I'm using the terminal, so it's actually Control Shift C, and I just want to use code, command, whatever this key is, the meta key. I want to use that all the time. I just want that to be copy paste. And then when you hit that on accident, you get this weird, like, sometimes I get it, this weird, like, this is kind of a new copy paste, and I still haven't explored what that even does. I don't know. All right, account. I'm just rambling now. Account.sh. This. All right. All right, so help. Okay, that's good. Very cool. All right. Okay. Account. What does this do? Wait. Okay. Each one of these is going to require some, like, finessing. Okay, we can do this. We can do this. We're going to get the rest. And then we're gonna fix them all. We're gonna make our own versions that do almost the same thing, but not by downloading every time and not requiring everything to be in a very specific place. How about that? All right, now we are doing curl-o create invite code.sh. What'll be fun is when we like want to update this and then we have to redo all this. So what we're gonna need to do is like patch request call. I want to request a call. All right, curl-o request crawl. Okay, very good. Very good. All right. What's next? Back, and update. Raw. Copy. Okay. Okay. So, PDS admin. In here, I'm going to say PDS, and we're going to new account. env file is equal to ... .env. Now, I don't think I can count on ... because I want to be able to run this from wherever. So I need this to be relative to the the path the script is in. I will fix that in a bit. For now, I'm just going to put the full path so that I know it works. Okay. Okay. So I think this executes it. So rather than doing these things, take all this out. If -e PDS root equals users Justin source stooth PDS. PDS rutabaga. Okay. Okay. Script file. Oh, that's the term. Okay. Nope. Nope. Bin. Yes.
Here's a joke about kinda.
Okay.
Why did the programmer bring a ladder to work? Because they heard the code was kinda buggy and needed to reach new heights.
Blink. Blink, blink. All right. Now these, let's go ahead and just make them all, and then let's just do it like this. Hey, hey. Hey, come on. And I don't think that's how we use dash E, right? We got to use the brackets. Okay. How did you else? We'll come back to that. Okay. Aha! Very good. All right, so that ran the help script. Cool. Very good. Now let's try to do account list. Okay, so we're gonna look at account before we do it, and I think this will capture the env file. Yes. This will do these things. Okay. And you are using curl. And what else are you using? Anything else? Why does this have to be run as root? I don't understand. None of this needs to be run as root. JQ. We need JQ. Okay. Not a problem. We can get JQ. JQ. Fucking have it. Fantastic. Yeah, thanks. OpenSSL, we have that. Yes. All these things. Save this password. It will not be displayed again. You son of a bitch. We will not do it again. You better get it. All right. I think it'll work. PDS add. Okay, wait. Bin. PDS admin help. Yes. Okay. Account list. Permission denied. Okay. Right. Okay. I was hoping... Okay. Why am I doing this like in like VI? I'm like, got this nice editor over here. All right, here we go. PDS env file, right? PDS env file equals PDS env file, and I think the syntax means this or that, right? I'm gonna try to export it. Okay. Unbound variable. All right. Aha. Huh? PDS data directory equals PDS root / data. And then we're going to export PDS data directory. Okay. Okay. Closer. Column illegal option -- column. All right, that must be the place. Column -- table. Column -- table. Yes, man, column. The column utility formats its input into multiple columns. Oh, look at that. Okay. Now this assumes that we're running on Ubuntu. So let's go here to our Ubuntu. And what are you? 2204. Perfect. Column. Yeah, good for you. Create a table. Okay. And what does this one do? Column. -T. Determine number of columns the input contains and create a table. Okay. Okay, so we just need to change this in account to a single -T. Okay. Hey! Getting closer. All right. I love it. Love it. Here's something I want to do. PDS admin shithead. And it just does nothing. I want it to give an error. Now, I don't know if that's how else works. So what we're going to do, bash if else. Okay. Great. Hey, shithead does not exist. Very good. All right, Mr. Blue Sky. Your crazy thing is almost working. Okay. Now we need to do this one. Create an invite code. That is the key. We're going to do this step next. So create an account. And then create an invite. Okay, so let's create an account. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Now, it's going to give me a password, and it's going to say, this is your only time you're going to get this fucking password. And I probably shouldn't show it to you. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to put this guy right here. Put this guy like this. Oh! Enter an email address. All right. Justin at s2th.me. Enter a handle. Justin.s2th.me. Hey, it did it. Fuck yeah. Save this password. It will not be displayed again. You son of a bitch. All right. One password. New item. Login. DID. PDS. s2th.me. Blue Sky. AT Proto. Just all the things. Justin.s2th.me. And then password. Is it hidden? Can you see? Can you see? You cannot see. Okay, great. You. Copy. You. Paste. Save. Okay, s2th.me. There it is. I saved it. Very good. Now here, I will clear. Should I save this DID thing? I'm going to save this the DID thing. Hang on a second. Stand by. All right. Edit this. Put it in the notes. Save it. Cool. Clear. Boom. All right. We did it. It created a thing. My thing works. All right. Now we're going to see how I... Yep. It's running sudo every time. I'm not doing sudo. That's just lazy. Yeah. Yoink. PDS admin. Okay, very cool. And create invite code. Okay. I created an invite code. I did it. Okay, what do I do with this thing? When creating an account using the app, enter this invite code. What? What do I do with this invite code? Wait, I don't understand. Oh, using the Blue Sky with your PDS. Get the Blue Sky app. Enter the URL for your PDS. Because the subdomain TLS certificate is created on demand, it may take 10 to 30 seconds for your handle to be accessible. If you aren't seeing your first post profile, wait 30 seconds to try to make another post. Okay. All right. Blue Sky for web. Okay. Great. Invite code. Okay, I just got that. There it is. Hey! Justin at s2th.me. Is that, I mean, is this, am I supposed to put my actual email Or, what happens if I do this? Okay.
Here's a song about placing. In the world of code and lines, trying to get it right this time. Placing things where they belong, hoping they won't go wrong. With every click and drag we make, it's all for that perfect take.
That was pretty good.